Hello, I'm Jay, owner of Volunteer Audio in Oliver Springs, Tennessee, and I just wanted to make a video updating you on Project 5.0. Now, if you don't know what that is, that was a video series we did back a while back on our 2014 ElectraGlide Police. Now, when we started that series, we said we had a big plans for that bike, and I kind of got rushed in the last couple weeks because Hertz has asked to borrow this bike for a rally event they're going to be at, so I had to do a whole lot really quick, but it was a great time to show off a lot of the things available at volunteeraudio.com that you may not be aware of. So first off, we took this bike and we changed the color. It was that plain white that a police bike is. Now it is that white onyx pearl. It's a beautiful color that's on the new 24 models. And we did this by using HogWorkz body panels. So they have extended bags. Right now we've added the extended bags like the CVO has, the extended rear fender. Just love that look. We get so many of your beautiful bikes in here to work on that our bike was looking a little rough. But that was kind of the plan. It was a beater bike. It was something to hop on and demo and listen to, but no more. We also had the paint on the tank redone. We went to a sleek, low profile tank cover. Changed out the front fender to the new style like what's on the newer CVOs, the little shorty fender. It just kind of cleans it up, brings our bike into the future. New chin spoiler. They've got the gloss black inner fairings there. Man, it looks so much better with our Hertz speaker grills, our new Soundstream Reserve V2 radio. But we didn't stop there. We're also Khrome Werks dealers, and they make so many amazing products. We love their exhaust, so I did a full 2-in-2 exhaust on here with those edge slant chrome tips. Now, this bike has a lot of chrome going on. I didn't want to go black. I know that's the big thing, but we got it all in black if that's what you want as well. I put the Buck 50 12-inch bars on from Khrome Werks. Check out these grips. What do you think about this? The new Khrome Werks grips that match the exhaust. That's the same tip that we have on the back that go with our extended bags. Turned out really nice. On top of all of that, Khrome Werks has an amazing air cleaner. We're going to be putting it on. We just ran out of time to do that yet. So Custom Dynamics, that's another company we deal with that you'll find on volunteeraudio.com. I think they're the best in the business when it comes to lighting. Mainly, they lifetime warranty everything they sell. So you get a great product at a great price, but you're never gonna have to buy it again. So we did the new windshield trim across the top. That's gonna give us a little bit more daytime running lights, but it's also gonna give us sequential turn signals. See, I deleted those large lights that would have been on the ElectraGlide Police. And we put these nice flush, low profile turn signals. Check these lights out now. They've got this bright daytime running light, but when you turn on your turn signal, you're definitely going to be seen without having to worry about getting hit, without those big bulky lights on the front. So I think it turned out great, looks great. We're going to be adding the blade lights on the back to go on the back edge of the bags. So many new things coming. I got a whole new set of wheels going on it, but they're not going to be on it before it leaves for them to borrow it. So we're going to show some step-by-step videos on some of these other processes when we have a little more time. But new seat, new body, new Hertz cut-in kits. You know, when we did Project 5.0, these didn't exist yet, so we'd cut in another set of lids. Problem is, if you've cut in the Precision Power or the Boss or Diamond or Rockford or any other brand, it's not the same hole. So this new body gave us the chance to change out and go to the cutting kits that I really wanted in the bike to begin with. So many upgrades. I think it turned out great. Let me know what you'd want us to do next. What else do you think we should do to the bike? Keep in mind, we're going from a 19 to a 21 on the front. It's going to be chrome. We're going to do the back wheel. We're not going to hide out a factory wheel. We're going to make sure it all matches. But what else should we do? Comment below. Are there any videos you'd like to see, step-by-step, other accessories that Volunteer Audio offers that we can show you how to put on your bike? If you need help, maybe you don't find all those parts. Listen, Custom Dynamics has so many parts. So does HogWorkz. So does Khrome Werks. If there's something not loaded on the site yet, don't think we can't get it, or we might already even have it. Give us a call at 1-844-30-AUDIO. Talk to our knowledgeable sales staff. We'd love to help you find the right accessory for your bike, and we're going to get you an awesome price and give you great customer service on top of that. Always at Volunteer Audio, shipping is free, and if you're not in Tennessee, there's no sales tax. So we're going to save you a bunch of money as well. Thank you so much for watching. Tell me what you think about Project 5.0. I'm pretty excited. Our old, the old wore out police bike, it's looking pretty darn good now. But let me know what you think and what you would do next below. So make sure and comment. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to Volunteer Audio to see all of our video. We do a lot of videos on audio. We love to make your bike sound great. And with Khrome Werks, we can do that on the exhaust as well. And now with all the lighting options, the body panel options, we can make your bike where there's no reason and no need to trade it in. Thank you so much for watching Volunteer Audio. And as always, God bless.